All right. Hello, hello, testing. Mm-mm-mm. And wondering. Hmm. And everything is set. Even one thing. Okay. Right. Hey guys, welcome to the last stream of the day. So what we are looking at during the Euro session, of course, nothing much new. Of course, still we are in the consolidation price. These are M30. So let's look at what the market structure is giving us here today. So we're gonna look at higher time frame first, H4. So we're gonna change it to line chart and see what's up. So we do have like consolidation currently ongoing here. So is it possible gold to come back retrace bottom here for a sell? There is. Okay, so currently right now we're gonna draw up our market structure first. So currently right now we do have this higher here is the resistance. It's the highest one, lowest one. Okay, and then we're gonna draw out the recent one, okay? So currently this is the reason resistance here, and then we do have another one over small one right here as a support. Okay, so we're gonna change that to H1 to see what's up, and then change this to candlestick. Okay. So if you ask me right now, the momentum is for this market structure on this higher time frame is like looking to be bullish, but then lower time frame is showing that going on, they want to make a pullback structure here. So for now, I'm gonna take a short buy. So not yet. I'm waiting for the market rate to be much better because as you can see, you know, currently the market rate is giving us like in this case, even though there is a breakout structure in here, but there is like there's a resistance become support. So now right now there is a resistance here. So even though there is a breakout towards a support, so we can consider this as the pullback. But usually uh pullback structure is completed, right? Price would normally come back further down, you know, break since it's already there's a breakout. But then price did not did that. So most possible there's a rebound manipulation here that price is currently like buyer are coming in because we are now currently on the Euro session, London session, and today is like the 26th. You know, by tomorrow the market candle will close. So most likely, if there is a like market movement, there's a sort of outburst during the M1, M5. Most likely is because the bigger time frame closing. So for now, I think we're just gonna focus on like buy because it's still on the bullish trend. If you ask me, okay, we're just gonna take a short buy first because price is already like moving up towards. So there's already break up towards the structure. Okay, wait, my lot size 0. Okay. So for my this SL, I'm just looking at least 60 pip towards the breakout of the resistance. Okay. For the take profit wise, we're looking for the price to come back on the resistance here. So it's roughly around 90 to 100 pips. Ooh. I saw somebody, I wanna make them copy. Okay, we're gonna modify our stop loss and our take profit for now because the price market is on the bullish trend, is making a breakout structure here. So we're just gonna ride the wave. Okay, if you ask me on this M5, M15, okay, M5, 15, right? There is a minor resistance here that is just currently making a break. So it's right here. Ah, wrong, not this one, which is here. Okay, this is the current market price structure. If this price breaks this, so we can expect the price to come back towards the resistance here. Based on this market momentum wise, there's a chance. I think I have opened accidentally too much layers. Initially just one. Okay. Can everyone hear me? Can hear me, right? Hey Momo. Hey Justin. Welcome to the stream. Okay. What we see here today, right? Wow. Okay. Market open breakdown towards the Asia market. Okay. And then now recovery towards this is a pullback recovery towards the euro market during right now. And then we are still stuck in this consolidation. Even though yesterday make a dip, pullback structure come back up high. So yeah, we are still in this consolidation here still. Yeah, you can hear me, right? Okay, that's cool, Brian. Okay, so currently right now we are still looking for a buy potential because I do not see any like you know the price is gonna be on a bearish side, not yet, because we are still in this consolidation. So we're gonna look at other pair and see what's up. Okay, even like if you look at silver, right? Okay, silver already make up breakout structure in this resistance here. Okay, there is a resistance here that silver make a breakout. So once price breakout, okay, create a new resistance here. So once you create a resistance, of course, before you come up to create a new resistance above this resistance line, the price would definitely want to come make a pullback structure to find a support, to create a support. So price did make a pullback, create a support, okay, resistance because support, and then supposedly the price should continue going to be on the bullish side, but then there's a rebound manipulation here, rejected, break down toward the support now, and then came back to create a consolidation raw wise, and then break once more. So right now we are looking at, over here there is a support that is currently been respecting wise. So possible that the price will rise up towards to where this resistance becomes support. Possible that this area zone here will be a resistance, or make to be sure, like to find a new higher low, to be honest. So on the silver side, okay, if you were to look at, okay, USD JPY. So for the past couple of days, UJ has been on a bullish trend, on the uptrend wise. So right now, what we're looking at is the pullback structure after a breakout here. Same thing, same reason why right now. Currently, if you ask me, is it the price gonna go up? Yes. Logical saying, normally after the price pullback, the price will definitely go up, but that depends on between around this area here. Usually price like after the breakout, they will usually look for a new high. Like example, currently the price is like sideways, and then break up, supposedly making a pullback structure after coming back to this area here, pullback price supposed to continue rising up to find a new resistance here. So if you ask me, UJ is still on the bullish trend. If UJ on the bullish trend, right, very high chance that we are looking at, gold is price might be coming down. Okay. So currently, if you ask me, there is a minor resistance that the price is respecting. So that's the reason why the price is pulling back. Okay, we're just gonna hold our position still. Okay, on our stop losses. Okay, today we're gonna be much more disciplined compared to yesterday. Yesterday we have a rough day within the week, you know, but that we don't let it drag us down, to be honest. Okay, so if we will look at other pair, Euro USD, and look at higher time frame. Okay, H4 we can't see H1, H4. Okay, so there is a resistance here. Price is just backing even after showing multiple promising engulfing candlestick, but then price now are still consolidating in this area here. If you look at daily wise, if daily wise, we are still on an uptrend on euro dollar because this is currently there's a resistance here which is the breakout structure, and then came back here resistance because support, even though there is a breakout towards the resistance because support here. No, actually there's no breakout, it's still valid right now, this support. So right now possible that euro USD is planning to attempt to test back the support area zone before continue looking up for a new higher high around this area here, because there is much more. If you look at monthly candlestick, right, there is so much more liquidity here for the price to come and collect before it goes further down, if the price were to be rejected lah. But chances of that happening, when, how soon, not sure. Anything can happen, if there's one war struck, you know the gold US dollar price will like manipulate like crazy, man. But right now the world is a bit calm right now, so that's why price is like pulling back, for all other metals and whatnot. So right now, we are looking at recovery period for gold. But as I said, the candle is about to close between the weekly and monthly, and we do like suspect that the price must probably gonna be here before open up a new candle week or monthly, which is next week. For the price to be decided whether the price want to be on the bullish or the bearish for the new month, basically. Yeah. Okay, based on M1, right? If we look at M1, right, price is like rejecting towards like the bearish side. So it's like keep showing us more bearish than bullish. So hopefully no, no, this is not what I press. Okay. Okay. We hope that the price will still want to break out towards this resistance to come and touch this resistance here instead. Because I don't want this to be the valid resistance. If this is the valid resistance here, then very likely we are looking at the price is like, coming towards like this. There's a chance that the price will react towards this way. But right now we are just riding on towards the trend. We're not fighting with the momentum that the bullish that buy are coming in. Okay. Right. It's live, right? Okay. Okay, and we have M15 new candlestick on M15 opening up soon. So right now, price did not show that it breaks towards. I mean, this previous one. Right now, there's a new candlestick open up, but this open candlestick like open up above the closing candlestick. So most probably, we still have a chance that the price might want to break towards this resistance here. So during the Euro session, right, it's all about waiting game. The moment you entry is all about waiting because usually price react during the open market, like the moment when Euro session, which is the open market, is around like what time? 2 p.m. ish, 2 p.m. ish. So that's where Euro market opens. So usually market opens, price react much more faster during the time. So during London, like between 2 to 5, that's the period. Like you can definitely see something going on at gold, most other metals as well, and even currencies. But after 5 until like 8, 9, until London, US Open, it's gonna be like consolidation sideways. But yesterday, right, we have a breakout towards we have a breakout here because yesterday we were to buy here yesterday, and then there's breakout towards the resistance here. Yeah. But then we able to recover that from a buy here, and then we able to hold to our TP yesterday. So we expect that the gold will yesterday like to actually go even further up because monthly and weekly candle is closing for this week. You know, Today just one more day by tomorrow it will close. Okay, so if gold it keep showing like this, the price actually could be still like going up, but we're gonna hold on to our buy, our SLTP. Okay. Okay, we might extend our TP, our SL to closing 100 pip as well. Same volume with our TP. Okay, guys. All right. Right, so we're modifying the price. Okay. Price is right now rejecting, showing there's a possible strong sell, and then this is a proper there's a resistance here, which is why the price is rejecting. But don't worry because we are only trading on a small account here. As you can see, on our big account, we actually have our running profit on the big account here, as you can see. So we're gonna hold on to our buy sell at this moment. I mean buy. I was able to buy from the lowest just now. Okay. So currently right now there is a breakout structure here on this list lower time frame. See whether this price is rejecting this here or is gonna give us engulfing candlestick. So currently if M15 gonna break out towards this support here and then give us an engulfing, then we know like the price is still gonna be on the downtrend still rather than be an uptrend. So we might change our position from a buy trend towards the downtrend. Okay, we're gonna respect that. From here to here. Mm, of course. Okay. So we're gonna make our main focus right now is in around this in this zone. Okay. So as you can see, guys, this is my main account, as you can see. So we're gonna hold on still to our buy here. So we're gonna price gonna be like a big consolidation here. So it's gonna be like a big swing around here. So around this consolidation here, how many pips is that? Let me calculate that. So from here to here is at least okay, 350 pip above here. So we are in a consolidation like 300 pips. So it's fine. Right. Save me. So one is empty. So another 8 more minutes, the price gonna close. So we're gonna see whether it's gonna close beyond or below it. So we shall see whether the price was doing right now. So meanwhile we look at UJ. For UJ, I plan to sell, but not yet. Not yet. Not yet for UJ. The price is moving quite slow on the sideways here. Price is still on the buy trend here. Like it's gonna come back towards here. For the very least, going back towards here. But coming back towards here, it's like what? 56.03. Dude, it's not even close to 20 pip, man. So it will take a while for the price to come back here. So for silver wise, silver going down. I even okay, this is what it's supposed to do. So right now we have a support here. Whether the price is going to come back here to retest or continue going up. Or consider this as a final break already. And then price is just going to keep continuing going down because this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, then 4. So here, right, there is also support here. If you look at, see, there's a support area here. So if you ask me for silver wise to buy, it's around here. It's been a long session, right? Anyone already tried? You can DM Grace regarding your withdrawal. Our admin can assist you regarding that. Because if you have a big withdrawal, obviously you're the only one that be withdrawing. You know, it will take a few days. It will take a couple of days. So M5, respect it. Lower time frame, respect it. So what we need now is the higher time frame to respect it or not. That's another question. Okay. So there is support here and there's a resistance here. So currently price are consolidating here. So hope that it does not consolidate for long. We want it like to either break either support or resistance here. Currently the support did not break, so right now maybe there's a chance the price want to come and break the resistance here. So if it breaks the resistance here, so we're just gonna keep holding on still, okay guys? Yeah, it's all about patience, dude. Yeah, what Damien says is correct. It's all about patience. Because once your entry, you would like to do is like go do your dishes, go cook something, continue to do your other work, and then just let it be. Okay, you just let the price be. So we don't have to feel like to always look at the chart and to see what the price is gonna give us, creating all this noise in our head, all these doubts that will cause us not to trade, and then we lose the confidence in that sense. So we don't want to lose that confidence and whatnot. So we're gonna continue like holding on to our buy. Okay. So while waiting for M15 price to close in another like 4 minutes, I'm gonna go to the toilet for a little bit. So I'll be right back. Hold on. Meanwhile, you guys help me to monitor the whoever is here, help me monitor the candlestick, see whether it breaks or not. All right. So we have a few more minutes. But if this candle doesn't break, because we need to make sure that the second candle open up, price should go continue further up. If price would like to come back down and retest the support, then we will have to consider that the next candlestick open might want to break. We have to wait until the next candlestick to close, then we know that this price structure is breaking already. But of course, this price structure also, right? This is the current recent support and resistance. The main support is actually down here that we are looking at. Okay, this is a first support and this is a major support. So we have tier one, tier two, tier three. So we are looking at closest price market action, which is here. So price looks like it come back quickly, rejecting like one that shows that you want to break, doesn't sees that you want to give it a chance for our buy. So we're gonna hold on towards it first. So while waiting, be right back. Give me a couple of minutes, okay, guys? Okay, I'm back. So while I was away, I look at my phone. Price shows that it's already breaking. So we gonna look at this price considering like its consolidation wise. We're gonna look at the bigger picture consolidation right here. But like I said, we gotta wait until the candlestick close. If we close beyond that, then we know that the price is actually on the bearish side still, then rather than the bullish, and then it is rejected towards the resistance there. Yeah. Hey, what it is? So we do have the M50 close beyond that. So we have a breakout structure here already. So we also do have an engulfing candlestick. In the end, they do manage to close like that. M15, M1. Okay, so how about M30? M30 also showing that as well. Okay, but we're still gonna hold on. Okay, we actually hit our stop losses already. It's all right. It's all right. Right now, we're gonna wait for a while and see that whether we can get a new setup. So Right now, if you ask me, I'm still biased on the buy side still, so I'm planning to buy now. Okay, this is actually where we wanted to buy, so we're gonna hold on our position here for now. So the market usually after a breakout, the price would like to come back, make a pullback structure reversal first. Okay. Okay, this time my TP gonna be open. My SL, same thing as before. It's at least like 100 pip. Okay, guys, we're looking at least 100 pip. My TP, I'm gonna leave it open because I do suspect that the TP wise, it's gonna be more than 100 pip. Price is definitely will come back to touch around this zone, at least like close to 200 pip. It will definitely want to come back here. Okay, momentum sell is quite strong right now, so we're gonna let it hold on and let it. All right, we're gonna put it below here. Okay, our SL is actually below this line. Hmm. I want to be sell already, actually. But I worry, yesterday, right? What happened was yesterday is like price gonna leave out a shadow and then we're gonna pull back. So this is gonna be a long game holding for us. Okay, our SL is actually beyond this line. So it's here. Not there, it's here, okay? Sorry, our SL is around here. Gonna put at 5165, exactly where the support is. Okay. What time is? Okay. So currently we're entering our buy right now. So our SL is also close as before, 100 pip. Our TP is open because this TP can go beyond than 100 pip. That's for sure. Right. Oh, look at lower time frame here. So there is a breakout here, so we're gonna remove this support. Okay, so right now we are looking at the prices coming back around here. We turn around, turn around. Come with me, I wanna be with you. Man, go, why so boring? Why are you giving us sideways, man? There is a big consolidation, bro. Holding on. Okay, right. So possible there's a chance that price will want to empathy. Okay. Let's see whether the price want to break out towards this support. Resistance becomes support. Resistance here. There's a resistance breakout. But I wouldn't consider this as a support. This the main support is down here. But not any make any differences. So we just want to say. Okay, there is something going on here. There's a breakout engulfing candlestick. Let's see the price would like to come back or not. And reject this. Another one into diamond, yeah. Yeah. Market kind of boring. Yeah, it is a London session. Usually consolidation, so it's very boring. It's long game. It's waiting couple of hours. You gotta wait for something like a breakout structure. Like, like in lower time frame, we have support, resistance here, respect, support, breakout. But this is just a lower time frame. Lower time frame cannot we cannot predict lower time frame to tell us the main story. The main story is always the higher time frame we have to look at. Currently, the higher time frame is look at bearish at this moment. I mean, like current price right now, but actually, if you look at it, it's still like consolidation after a breakout towards a up on the bullish. You see, it's still on the bullish trend. So possible that daily on weekly wise, kind of say might pull back up even further because we are closing in a couple more days. So we're just gonna check, watch this market, what the market want to give us. Okay, guys. Mm, 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 mm. Hold on, I'm actually fixing my hair. I'm not losing out the cam. Just fixing my hair. I'm still here with you guys. I'm not going anywhere because I want the gold price to go up. That's why I'm buying and holding on to it. Yeah, I hope the seller is dying out. Give a chance for the buy to come in. Institutional bank, American, United States, China, all the other continent in the world. Put in the buy. Make gold more expensive. Don't make it cheap. Make it expensive to sell. Uh-huh. So currently gold came back to our entry price where we in the begin with. So we're gonna hold on still. So if we were to look back at M1, okay, price breakout towards here, showing respecting, promising that the price like gonna be on the bullish, like manipulating wise here. So if the price manipulate around here, then we will possibly see a change of character. Like price is currently like going up, break up, currently now pull back. Supposedly come back to this area, make the consolidation wise, come back here to retouch and then continue further down. But this is where we will see the manipulation wise, or whether it like it's gonna crack like this, come back here or not, or continue like break. So we shall see what the price is gonna give us. So we're gonna keep holding our position still. If you guys are worried currently, like the price is currently on the bearish side. If you guys worried, you guys can wait for the price to be on the further down to buy. You have to buy with me yet? You guys can wait. You guys want to, but I'm still believe that the price is gonna be on the buy side still. Okay. I feel mine. Yeah, I don't see M1. M1 is always bad one. So we see M5, M15 much better. M15 is about to close. 2 more minutes. Close, open up, bullish. Give us a straight rocket. Give us a fly reaction, bro. Give us a fly reaction, man. Alan, so sorry. Don't mind me stealing your snack. Cause this seaweed Malaysia snack, bro. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Keeping myself entertained and my tummy filled. If my tummy happy, I happy. Ooh, this is not looking pretty. But we're gonna hold on a position still. Price it came back to our initial entry, We can able to cut loss just now, but I didn't want to. Cause I still believe that price is gonna be on the bullish side, so we're gonna hold on still. Cause this is gonna be a long, yeah, this is gonna be quite long. Oh, everything keep breaking. Superior. So definitely the price gonna close beyond that. Definitely. This failed already. Supposedly this price gonna go up, but failed. We're still looking at strong downtrend still. But we're still gonna hold on our buy position. Okay. Most of you stay out throughout the whole session for today, right? Since two. Who's my favorite singer? I have too many artists. Favorite artists. Too many, man. I have too many. But what genre I like? Mostly I would say hip hop. Yeah. You guys have a chill night with me. No pressure, like guys. No pressure. Price is very consolidation here still. If you were to buy here or sell, you know, price would definitely like come back all the way down here, and then buy would be come back all the way above here. So there is buy or sell, buy or sell. You can neither both. So right now, price is more on towards the support area. So this is the reason why we buy, because price would definitely reject wise and be on the consolidation mode still. Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. The consolidation one is the most boringest part. And I roll. Yeah, buy a support, give a higher win rate. But before you buy a support, just what it's always important to look at M1, M5, see whether there's a manipulation or reversal happen. Like M1, manipulation happen here, one, and then continually here too. So price continue to be on the bearish side than rather than the bullish. So we haven't seen any bullish pullback on our side for now. Ever since we start to live, price have been on the bearish side ever since, not being a bullish for us. So we are waiting for the price to reject and pull back. So that's why we are waiting for. So while we're waiting for the next M15 to open up, see whether M15 want to come back to this support or not, break out to this support, we don't know. But very likely it might have chance, like, because since here already, like, first attempt, second attempt already break out, and then they consolidate here, manipulate price break up towards, give an engulf candlestick. Here, like, they show like, well, price gonna be a buy, and then people are buying and buying, probably like up here also they're buying. Actually, they bought here because price is the best price to buy is here. Because if the price, because it already manipulate, so we come back to where it breakout structure is, which is here, and then buy. People did buy here, and then probably they are floating right now, a long floating game for them. So our buy is actually, our first buy was here, and then we took a SL. It's fine, it's totally fine. So right now we took a buy here, and then we're gonna hold on this buy for a very long period. Yep, this buy is gonna be a very long period. Okay. Also, H1 is about to close. So currently, we look at H1, right? Wow, H1 is strong, eh? Strong engulf bearish. But is it gonna engulf this candlestick or not? But this is the one that engulfed this previously. But of course, this one is the biggest engulf stick. Hmm. Yep. So we just have to be patient and wait. Okay. So for this SL, am I gonna put? Oh, I cannot put any further already. It's gonna be like 100 pips. Okay. So I'm gonna go for a water break. Right back, guys. Cause most of you guys been here since the early stream for today with CJ, right? So you probably some of you also would like to go for a water break. Currently price are on consolidation. Nothing much to see or say. Unless you guys have a question for me, then we can talk about something. See, even UJ also are pulling back. If we look at US dollar index, okay, apparently rejected towards the resistance here, and now one, two, this is the third time. Price is coming back up, but it's slowly edging, to come back up, edging to come back up. So we're gonna hold on to our buy position. So I'm gonna go for a water break. I'll be right back. Okay, don't go anyway, guys. You guys should go for a water break too. Staying too long on the chart also can, fry your brain. So we don't want to fry our brain and our emotions. So we're going to take a short break and then we'll be back. Okay, guys? Only closing back to midnight older. Okay, so right now we're still here. Few more minutes, see whether the price gonna come back further down and break or not, or like buyers are gonna come in. So for now, gold has been going down since how many pip? Yeah, from the highest just now, 300 pip from this highest. So from this total 300 pip, has been a bearish sign, and then price has not been showing a sign to pull back. I mean, there is a couple of here, but we not didn't manage to get that because this is like during what 2 to 3, 3 to 4 during that time zone. But right now we at 7, going to be 7 soon. So currently we are playing around the bearish side. So right now after this bearish side, there's gonna be a bullish side pullback. So that is what we're gonna ride on with that. We're gonna ride on with that. Oh no, we are so close to hit our SL already, to be honest. Okay. Oh wow. Price hit our SL and then spike. As you can see, the price spike hit our SL, suddenly rejected up on this M1, you see? You just touch our support area here. Okay, right now we're just gonna wait for a bit and wait for a proper close up here. Okay, where is the buy trend rate? So you rejected. Ah, okay, right now. Okay. Our buy zone basically is right here. So if we were to calculate here, okay, I'm gonna do the calculation here. Proper for pullback structure Y here to here at this 150 pip was 200 pip. It's quite big. This zone is quite big. This zone is quite big. Okay, because we are at the support area here, we're gonna lock in our buy. Bro, don't tell me you touch our SL and then reject it and then continue to fly, man. That would be a sad scenario for us. So we're gonna hold on towards this for now and for our recovery session. This right now is our recovery session for now. Okay. So to come back here, at least 200 pip. Okay, if my SL, I will manually close myself. Okay, not yet, to be honest. I manually close. Okay. Stop loss. I cannot take this as a stop loss COA. It's too short. Okay, this one is still quite huge, you know, guys. We're still in a very big zone here. Print, 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 print. Okay, everything did not close beyond that, even though H1 did not close beyond that. So right now we're gonna have our pullback structure right now happening. So that really depends how far this pullback structure is. So for this pullback structure, we're gonna focus on our recovery food up on our buy. Let me check on my big account. As you can see on my big account, we are still in the consolidation. As you can see, we are still in the consolidation price. Just that our small account we're not able to. That's the reason why having deposit bonus helps a lot. So make sure you guys DM our admin Grace to get that deposit bonus. So when you get deposit like 10,000, right, you get additional 5,000 as well for your trading so to support your trading support voting. Okay, guys. Okay, we're gonna keep on holding on this still. Right now we total loss. Okay. Okay. So how really depend how far this pullback structure is gonna take us. Okay, we're not sure how far it's gonna take us, but we definitely know for the very least, right? It will come back to us around this zone, around here, 5180 for the very least. Oh, okay. Okay, we're still gonna holding on still. Okay, we're gonna keep holding on still. Still gonna hold on our position still because it's respecting towards the support area here still. It seems to be on the lower time frame, but we need to identify it with the higher time frame still. So we are still in the consolidation area here, lah, guys. We're still stuck here. We're stuck here. I wanna be with you. Do you guys listen to Kendrick Lamar? Well, this buy is just a pullback structure buy, so we're still holding on still, you know, because this price can go at least like 200 pip to 300 pip. As you can see, our small account is already running. Okay. For those who want to collect, can collect to recover their account. Just now, one. Because we hit SL. So for those who want to collect, can collect. For those who want to hold on still, can hold on still. I'm still holding on still for the very least. I'm holding on to position to hit 100 pips. Yeah, just now waiting for position to hit our TP. So we just gonna keep holding on still. No, you can't place now, the trade. Can't place now. Have to wait for a bit. You have to wait for the price to pull back down, then you can buy. Seems like the price is rejecting around the area of 5178. It's around the area of 5178. The price is rejecting right here. So let's see if the price want to break this or not. Our first roadblock. Okay. I'm gonna place my break even for now. Because I really the price reject and it cause us a reversal. So I'm gonna put a break even for now. Yeah, I do want the gold to actually break out towards this resistance here first. Break out this, then or at least engulf this candlestick. There we can see the potential buy that you're gonna come back here for the very least. First touch, second touch. Just don't tell me just touch, at least close beyond that, man. Okay, M5 is about to close. Let's see M5 want to close that. Then we can focus on the higher time frame much better, the M15 or M30. Okay. Okay. Guys, don't forget, DM Grace to get your account registered on Orex so you guys can join our VIP channel. So you guys can get our VIP signal as well. Okay, get our VIP signal and also our analysis at our VIP channel. You can get that by DMing Grace. But before that, of course, you have to register to join our VIP channel. So don't forget to talk to Grace, okay, guys? One more thing, there is an ongoing bonus promotion which is you can get at least 50%. If you were to deposit 10,000, you were to get 5,000 deposit bonus, which is good and helpful for those who are trading on a large margin or hoping to get a swing or intraday. You need a higher margin for that. So for those who are trading on the like low margin, that is only good as for scalping wise, but hoping to get a swing trade or whatnot is a bit very quite high risk. Okay, we want gold momentum to keep on recovering back here for the very least. So see whether like if I want to break this or not. But if it do not break right now, like this is the reason like manipulation why that can happen. Shows like engulfing, even though pullback rejected this pullback. Supposedly this candle supposed to continue to go up, but did not. But it's rejecting. So this is like possible price that would like to come down. This is the reason why we put our stop losses, because we know that there's a chance that manipulation wise can happen. So possibly, maybe not. The just goal is trying to play, forcing us to stay here still and wait for buyer to come in. They didn't want to show us right now, probably later. So we're just gonna keep holding on our position for now still. Okay, guys. Yeah, you guys can put break even if you guys want to. Just now was running more than 50 pip, man. It was like running from our first entry is like what 70 pip. Yeah, so we are still holding our position for it to be, buyer to come in still. We already placed on break even because we are actually targeting like 100 pip and also beyond than that. Okay. Our TP is around here. This is close to 100 pip, but our main goal is the price to come back towards this resistance instead. Our main goal is here. Okay, now we're waiting for the price buyer to come in still. Okay, we're M15 open up a new candlestick. Okay, whether this candlestick gonna break that or continuously going further to be the bearish side. So it looks like, if you ask me on lower time frame, like it is like trying to possibly hit our stop losses, possible. So we shall see whether this candlestick like gonna come back down or gonna go pull back up. If pull back up, break out this resistance, okay, which is good. It's very close to our 100 pip, and the price will further going up. It's possible that what we are looking for. Okay, like these are the reason why the manipulation wise, these are the one that happened. That's why we put a break even. So price did hit our break even. So for those who are able to collect their profit, let them collect. So right now price hit our break even wise. So we are looking for potential next setup. Yeah, risk reward 1 to 2. So if I were to take stop losses, I would take my reward 1 to 3. So currently, if you ask me, I'm 13. So he hit our stop losses, but I'm still gonna put on a buy. 'Cause I still feel that the price might be still going to be on the buy zone still. We're still gonna buy still. Okay. Okay. I re-enter our buy, so I was able to put one position there. Price I still, floating around this zone. Hopefully it rejected this and then continued to be on the bullish trend. So this is the same pattern as this one right here. As you can see, this resistance, this two resistance is the same pattern as this higher time frame here. These two. So if the lower time frame breaks out this, so there's a chance that the price that might want to come to this higher time frame here. That's where it will go a lot too if whenever there's a break on the lower time frame. Okay, the price is only running that. Entering a second buy because why not? Possibly not. So usually a swing trader like myself, my risk reward is always between 1 to 5 to 1 to 10. Whenever I hit the stop losses, that's how I target. If you are still scalping, if you're a trader who are scalping, then your risk reward should be 1 to 2. If you were to hit stop losses, your risk ratio should be 1 to 4. Like me, my risk ratio should be if because I'm playing swing trader like myself, hopefully to able to swing as much as possible, like 2 to 300 pip. So my first initially I'll have a TP1, TP2, and TP3. So I have a three risk ratio. So one will be 1 to 5, and the second 1 to 10, and then it'll be 1 to 15. That is really how I calculate my risk ratio for my own style of trading. because if you understand market structure, you can trade the way how you want to trade. You can scalp trading, you can intraday, you can scalp trading, you can also swing trade like myself. So there are many other ways we can do. Also, if you guys are busy, unable to monitor, of course, we do have our EA that helps you to trade. Algorithm follow based by AI. So, but I wouldn't say the profit could be much because it's like it's always taking the low risk. Low risk usually take major long time. Like here, currently, right now, we are taking high risk. That's why usually live trading session is always the medium high risk takers like myself. Because we are looking to take like much, not to say low profit, because what's the point in live trading taking short profit? Doesn't really entertain much. And I say it's not meant to be entertaining. It's meant to be educational. So if you want to educate people on like scalping wise, usually scalping are like, to me, the behavior is much more of a gambling wise. Will EA burst your account? No. It will, like any other broker, you will definitely receive an email if they say your account is reaching towards the stop losses. But currently our EA is at 93 winning rate, 93%. So it's really good that you guys able to use that. If you guys not able to trade, like busy because you guys are doing something else, working on something or with the family, whatnot. Being with the family is more important. It's also important, but but you want to have you know money to your money roll while you be with your family and whatnot. So you can use EA because EA is using AI generated algorithm. So it's taking like low risk approach. Like us, we are taking medium risk to high risk approach because we are looking for a big swing. Okay, like I mentioned here. So in this case, we still have price is still going down now rather than going up. Bum, 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 bum. Empty's about to close, whether you want to pull back or not. Come on, man. Pull back. Pull the back. Pull the back the goal, okay? Pull the back the goal. You don't pull the back the goal, then how the buyer gonna come in, eh? See, suddenly M1 suddenly shook up like this, you see? Like, what the hell is going on here, bro? What the hell is going on? Hopefully this rejection buyer coming in strong so we can hit our TP. So suddenly the M1 suddenly shoot up. What the fuck? Wait, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 7-1 until 7-6. It's like 50 pip, bro. Suddenly 50 pip. 4 more minutes. M30 and M15 is about to close and open up a new one for us to see. Sorry, Alan. Me love the stacks. The reason they shoot up because M30. Main reason why is the M30. Oh, price rejecting up and down at least 50 pip, man. It's crazy how it is. Gold is moving quite fast right now. M15 is about to close 2 more minutes. Then we can know what the price is, where the price is gonna go. But want to close beyond this or not? If it close beyond this, then we know. If it close beyond it, then we know the price is gonna keep going down still. Okay, this is our target here. Our goal. Whether we're gonna break up or break down depends on this. M15 about to close 2 more minutes. I think very likely it will break, right? How is it would not break? Yeah. Don't tell me you're gonna consolidate. You consolidate on the bigger time frame here, going to a lower time frame now. You want to consolidate here right now, bro? Come on, man, not like this. Don't do this to people, man. People are waiting to see something happen. Hmm. This last minute shall see. Waiting for gold reacting. Aye, come on, man. Close beyond or not? Close beyond or not? Did not close beyond, but open up price below. Ooh, that is scary. So we're gonna close this. It did not engulf, so it's alright. M30 did not close as bullish. It still closed as bearish. So potential price to come back here is very high. For this, will leave out a lot of price liquidity here for you to collect back. So that is a chance. Yep, just break the high, man. Don't break the low, break the high, man. Break the high. We want it to break high. It's not breaking high. You just keep creating lower and low, but not creating the high one. You did create a higher low here, but this is a lower low. Higher high, higher low. Want you to break above here and then continue further up. Like actually here. Want you to break around here, this line, and go further up. This resistance here must be break. Right now we are consolidating to be a contraction. Contradiction. Contraction. Ooh, this is looking like you know what I'm looking at is that looking at price is going to be like this. It's getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and then boom! Is that what possible gonna happen? So we're looking at higher time frame now. Da-na-na. What a slow approach for go. Silhouettes? What do you mean by that? Let me check. 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 Silhouettes. Okay. Well, low time frame. That I said, is creating that contraction wise. For it's like price is currently like getting like this, like this, like this, like this, getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. Then boom! Or either up or down. I know is this thing might happen. So, but I don't need to go down. I rather want it to go up. So this will take a while. Yeah. This design meant to be man principle man. Oh, meant to- Well, we're in still contraction wise right here. Whether you're gonna break down up is very hard to say because right now it's been on the bearish for ever since. So possible the bullish are coming in higher, like higher, like, very likely. This is why it's happening like this. Okay. So it doesn't want to break down. Probably want to go up. So if it goes up, then we will know the price is gonna go come all the way here. Like the price is already reversed, gonna be on the bullish rather than be on the bearish side. Okay. For tomate, meaning wait for bit. Okay. What I miss? What I miss? Hope I didn't miss anything. So price did break the contraction wise. I think gonna break contraction, gonna go up to be uptrend wise. So this is like a U-turn. So very likely we're gonna hold on to our buy position still. We're gonna put on another buy. So we do know the price is gonna be changing already. Gonna be on a buy position wise. Unless it fake out us, manipulate us, and then give us a SL. Let me pull that SL. Hey, so showing this, man. Okay, that I already said. Is that this one I haven't said yet? Okay, so we done setting. So we don't let it ride to be on the buy side still coming back towards this resistance and break this resistance. No, we want this resistance to be break. Okay, if it does not break that resistance, we're gonna be in a long ride for tonight until US session. Now you're not gonna break that. Okay. Ba-da-da-da-da. So just want to share you guys about our academy. You know, it's more just a training course, more than just a training course. It's a structured pathway towards financial literacy and long-term wealth building. Okay, guys, we train traders to understand. Okay, we train you to understand. You to understand. So what to understand is basically market structure, liquidity, and institutional behavior, which is like the market price. Right now we do have a liquidity here for it price to come back. Risk management framework for you guys to know like your margin capacity. So on the safe side, currently, good news. The risk management you can being managed with Grace. Grace can help you in terms of the deposit bonus. If you were to deposit into our broker, you get 50% deposit bonus. So imagine you will deposit 10,000 USD and you get 5,000 USD. You know how much the difference is that? Yeah, you can play around with that and trade with us. So we also train you how to, behave fashionably in terms of psychological wise. So possible right now on the higher time frame, it looks like, on the higher time frame, right? Just now was M1 here was showing, now is posing towards the higher time frame. If M5, see, M5 not really, okay. On M15 it is. Okay. So tomorrow is our last day for our stream for the month. Okay. Until because tomorrow definitely we will see big movement why the candlestick are closing for weekly and monthly. So we will definitely will see something going on. And our time for our live stream will definitely remain the same at 2 p.m. until 8 p.m. So we will definitely see you guys again tomorrow. So if you guys want to get notified in terms of our VIP channel, you guys can DM Grace, talk to Grace, to join our VIP channel. What is in our VIP channel? You get signal, VIP signal, you get VIP analysis, and also other special bonuses for those who are registered under us. They get deposit bonus. That is the major part, you know. Sometimes it's just not about the signal wise. The signal is meant to be as a supportive towards your emotion and also your decision wise. Okay. The main support that you want to get is basically the deposit bonus. Okay, so you don't want to miss that out. Make sure you guys talk to Grace about it, okay? Yeah. So once again, happy weekend. I'll see you guys again soon. See you guys next week. So it looks like the price, okay, shows that it already breaks. So towards want to go down. So we're still gonna hold on to our position still because we still think that this support area here is quite strong. Okay, guys. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Rest well and good night. Okay, guys. Have a great day.